আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
সালাম।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
আজকে তো পার্টিসিপেশন কেন?
স্যার জয়েন করতেছে স্যার, আস্তে আস্তে সবাই জয়েন করবে।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ভালো আছেন স্যার? স্যার আমার তো ক্লাস, থিওরি ক্লাস। আমার তো স্যার ক্লাস এই যে এখন শুরু করবো 12টা মতো অনলাইন স্যার। জি স্যার। তো স্যার কি কি ওই যে ওইটার তো স্যার মানে আচ্ছা, যাই হোক স্যার, তাহলে স্যার আজকে চালায় দেন। আজকে আমার ডিপার্টমেন্টে আর একটা প্রোগ্রাম আছে, বুঝছেন স্যার। সব মিলে আজকে স্যার আজকের দিনে পুরাই বিজি স্যার। ওকে স্যার, আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ,
আজকে মনে হয় জুমে ওরা জয়েন করতে পারতেছে না, এজন্য মনে হয় আজকে কম।
প্রবলেম, ইন্টারনেটের প্রবলেম।
হ্যাঁ মনে হয় ইন্টারনেট অথবা জুম থেকে প্রবলেম মনে হচ্ছে।
তাই নাকি? মেসেজ
হ্যাঁ
দিতে কেউ তোমাকে?
বলতেছে এরকম, ওরা জয়েন করতে পারতেছে না।
তোমার কেন
কি
লিংকটা
জানি স্যার, কিছু
দিয়ে দিবা
বোঝা
নাকি?
যাচ্ছে না। হ্যাঁ স্যার।
লিংকটা দিয়ে দিবা, এই লিংকটা বা কিছু।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওদেরকে লিঙ্কটা আমি দিয়েছি, ওরা ট্রাই করতেছে কিন্তু হচ্ছে না।
আজকে লোড বেশি।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
তাহলে কি শুরু করবো আমরা নাকি?
স্যার আর একটু কিছুক্ষণ ওয়েট করি স্যার।
ওকে। Anyway, মানে 150 হয়ে গেছে, আমরা শুরু করি, বাইকেরা জয়েন করুক না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, good morning and happy Valentine's Day. I think today someone are busy somehow, so maybe 150 and the line is busy as well, so maybe we missed few of our participants. So today's topic is urinary system. I think the system includes several organs, and what are the organs? First is the kidneys, right and left, as well as ureters, right and left, and the urinary bladder, or simply bladder. There is single, and urethra is single. So these are the organs of the urinary system. You know these things, I think, from your early experience. So these are the organs. Just as an overview, what are the organs of the urinary system? Suppose here is the two kidneys, and then from the kidneys starts the ureter. One ureter, this is the ureter. So if it is the right kidney, it is the right ureter. It is the left kidney, and left ureter. And both ureters empties into the urinary bladder here. And from the neck of this is the neck of the bladder, and from the neck of the bladder a tube starts, that is urethra. So that is the thing, that what are these organs included in the urinary systems, and we will discuss these things. So first of all is the kidneys, and we'll give emphasis on bovine kidneys. So now the participant is
Sir, 153.
153. It's fine, I think. এমনিতে কত হয়, 70-80 নাকি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এরকম হয়ে যায় না? Okay, so here is the two kidneys left. So this is the left one, and this is the right one. So we'll discuss what are the structures. You see these, there's the kidney, bovine kidney is somewhat lobulated, so many lobes of variable size. There is no unique size, of variable size lobes. And how it become lobulated? By this, there you see there are some demarcations, deep fissures. These are the fissures. These are the fissures, and it is called renal fissures. Deep renal fissures actually dividing the kidney into many lobes. And usually we will find in bovine 18 to 20 lobes. And it has, actually we will discover it has two surfaces. If we consider the right kidney, we will see it has two surfaces. This surface is the dorsal, and there is and on the opposite is the ventral surface. This is the cranial extremity, this is the caudal extremity. This is the extremities, two extremities, and two borders. One is this border is the lateral border, and this border is the medial border. But in case of left kidney, it has, you see, it is somewhat in the middle. It has some sort of twisting. So it presents three surfaces. We'll discuss here. And for this part, it has dorsal as well as opposite is the ventral. But this part, if this is dorsal, all through is the dorsal, and opposite is the ventral. But the ventral part of this part is in contact with the rumen. So you know the rumen is located in the left side. So this part is opposite this side is located is in contact with the rumen. That's why this part has ruminal surface. So it has three surfaces. One is the dorsal surface, opposite is the ventral, but part of ventral is attached to the located to the in contact to the rumen. That's why it is ruminal surface. And it has three borders as well. We'll discuss here. This is the medial border, and this is the lateral border.
Sir, sir, স্টোমাক তো ক্রেনিয়ালে থাকে, তাহলে স্যার রুমেন তো ডর্সাল পার্টে থাকার কথা না?
রুমেন ক্রেনিয়ালে থাকে মানে?
স্টোমাক
মানে তো মেনি কম্পার্টমেন্টস, 4 কম্পার্টমেন্টস। আমি রুমেনের কথা বলতেছি। আই এম ডিসকাসিং অ্যাবাউট রুমেন। রুমেনের সাথে কিডনির রিলেশনটা আমি বলতেছি, বুঝছো জিনিসটা? এবং just right. So this is the thing, and the right kidney is little bit elongated. This one is little bit elongated, and elongated one, but little bit elongated elliptical. And the left kidney is somehow, it looks like a beam. So left kidney is bean shaped somewhat. So I'll discuss these things. This is an overview, and I'll discuss all the things in my next slide. What are the structures inside? And this is you see, there is in the dorsal surface, you are finding something. Here is a depressed area. This is called hilus, where many things entering. So this is the artery, vein, as well as nerves. These are the things. So this is the artery and this is the vein, renal arteries and renal veins. So I'll discuss about the hilus as well. So the next slide will be helpful for you.
স্যার শুধুমাত্র লেফট কিডনিটাই কি হচ্ছে তিনটা সারফেস থাকবে?
হ্যাঁ, আমি এই ডেসক্রিপশনে তুমি পাবা। হ্যাঁ, next left kidney, bovine kidneys. The bovine kidneys are paired, of course, paired right and left, and lobulated organs, of course, lobulated. Superficially, kidney is divided into polygonal lobes. Polygonal means polyhedral, different shape size. Polygonal lobes around 80 to 20. By fissures, this lobe is formed by the fissures. These are called renal fissures. I showed in the last slide. Of variable depth. Depth of the fissures vary. And this is in general term, and now the right kidney is elongated elliptical in outline. It presents two surfaces, two borders, and two extremities. I showed in the last slide. The dorsal surface is convex. The dorsal surface is somewhat convex and remains in contact with the sublumbar muscles. Sublumbar muscles. The ventral surface is less convex. Both are convex, but ventral surface is less convex, and related to the ventral surface is attached to or related to the liver, pancreas, duodenum, and colon. The lateral border is convex, and the medial border is nearly straight and parallel to the caudal vena cava. Just I go to here is you see this is for the right kidney. Here you see the medial border. The medial border is nearly straight, but this border is convex somehow. And this is the thing. So just take care of these things. That And this is the extremity. Here is this part is the cranial extremity, and this part is the caudal extremity. And these are the lobes, polygonal lobes, different shape, sizes lobes. And these are the fissures which dividing the superficial surface into lobes. So this is the thing I am discussing here. So don't be confused with this thing. So the lateral and medial, and along the medial border runs the caudal vena cava. That's why it is parallel to the caudal vena cava. The cranial extremity or extremity, sometimes it is known as extremity means end or pole. So the cranial pole or cranial extremity or cranial end occupies the renal impression. You will find in the right kidney, you see in the digestive system, you have already learned. On the right side, there is liver, and in the left side, there is rumen. So it is these two kidneys in contact with the digestive organs, because these are located also in the abdominal cavities. So the right kidney occupies the renal impression. You will find in the liver, there is an impression or some sort of depression, and this where the impression is the image of anything, where something lodges. So if you will see in the liver, you will see that there is an impression of kidney, and that is called renal impression of the liver. It remains in contact with the, not only in the liver, the right cranial extremity, also in contact with the right adrenal gland. That means cranial to the right kidney is the right adrenal gland. You know, ad means close, renal means kidney. So adrenal is close to the cranial pole or cranial extremity of the right and left kidneys. So it is located, so there are two adrenal glands, and it is located close to the cranial extremity of the kidney. The caudal extremity is always free and rounded. It is somewhat rounded. That is the thing. So now is the left kidney. Left kidney is somewhat vein-shaped. You cannot say that it is exactly vein-shaped, but somehow. It has three surfaces: dorsal, ventral, as well as ruminal surfaces. Sorry. Dorsal, ventral, and ruminal, and three borders: lateral, medial, and ventral border, and two extremities: cranial and caudal. The dorsal surface is like the right kidney is convex and presents hilus at its craniolateral part. The ventral surface is convex, again convex and related to the intestine. In the right side, there is also intestine. The ruminal surface is flat and remains in contact with the rumen. The lateral border is again convex and lies between the dorsal and ruminal surface. And the medial border is convex in cranial part and concave in cranial. The medial border is convex in cranial part, medial border, and in its caudal part, it is concave. The cranial extremity is small and caudal extremity is large and rounded. I show you back. You see the left kidney, the caudal extremity is rounded and large, but the cranial extremity is small. This is the medial border. And this is convex. But this part here, if you see this part, when it is became like this, then here, sorry, this is, and this from this part, it is going, that means it is becoming concave. That's why the caudal part is becoming concave. So this is the thing that what I described just according to the picture of the kidney, left kidney. And the dorsal craniolateral part, there is here, it presents, here you will find the hilus. This is the hilus. This area is the hilus, where something is entering. So this is the hilus, and it is in the craniolateral part. This is the lateral craniolateral part. Here, this part is cranial, and that's the craniolateral part. And lateral part. This is the lateral part, and you will find the hilus. Hilus of the kidney. The cranial extremity and caudal is large and rounded. I have already discussed about these things. And now the right kidney is, the right kidney is located below the last rib and first 2 or 3 lumbar transverse processes. Suppose you have to imagine where it is located. It is located below the last rib. That means in case of how many ribs in cattle? 13 pairs of ribs, you know, the last pair, the 13 pairs of ribs, last pair of ribs, and first 2 or 3 lumbar. After, because you know the rib is attached to the thoracic vertebrae. So thoracic vertebrae T13, you know. So, and last is the T13, and with the thoracic vertebrae rib, last pair of rib attached to the last thoracic vertebrae. So it is located below the last rib, and first 2 or 3, then it is starting lumbar 1 and lumbar 2 and then lumbar 3. So the kidney is located here. The last rib and first 2 or 3 lumbar 3. It is extending from the last rib and first 2 or 3 lumbar 3. The left kidney is variable in position. Why it is variable? Because in the left side you will find the rumen, and when the animal eat anything, initially it goes to the rumen. So when the stomach or the rumen is full, or the rumen is distended with food, then it is going. The kidney is pressing the kidney to go far behind, and that's why when the rumen is full, it is placed below. It is going a little bit downward and behind the right kidney, and it is going behind the right kidney, not in the same position. It is going, left kidney is going far behind, and it is located between the bodies of the 3rd to 5th lumbar vertebrae. That means here is the 4th and lumbar 5th. So it is going here. So left kidney is here, but the right kidney is going like here. So this is the location. When the left kidney, here is the rumen. When the rumen is full, it is pressing the left kidney far behind, and then it is located 3rd to 5th. Otherwise, both are almost in parallel position. So that is the thing. Balon? Okay, so the average weight, usually the average weight of right and left kidney is 600 to 700 grams. However, the left kidney is 25 to 50 grams heavier than the right. So the average weight is this, but left kidney is always heavier. It is heavier than the right. So this is the thing, that left kidney is around, if the right kidney is 700, then the left kidney would be 725 to 750 grams. So please remember these things, and this is the differences you will find. We'll discuss about the horse. What about the horse? And what are the differences between?
স্যার বাম কিডনিটা কেন স্যার একটু মানে বেশি ওজন হয়?
It is সারাল, এটা মানে কেন বেশি হয় সেটা না, আসলে it is ন্যাচারালি ওই কিডনিটা বড় ডেভেলপ বেশি হচ্ছে। এটা স্পিসিস টু স্পিসিস, but in case of equine, the right kidney is heavier than the left. Please take care. This just reverse. This is species to species variation. This is due to, the answer is this is due to species variation. In case of horse, you will find the right kidney is heavier than left kidney. This is the thing. So you will find the location is also variable in the kidneys of horse. So I'll discuss the differences in my next slide. But right now, in the Viva Voce, we ask sometimes, please tell us the location of the kidney, right kidney or left kidney, and what is the average? Which one is larger of these two? And how many kidneys? These are the questions sometimes. How many borders or how many surfaces? How it looks, right kidney and left kidney. That is the things. Then how many lobes in the kidney of bovine kidney? How many lobes you have? How the lobes are formed by renal fissures of variable depth. That is the thing. Fewer questions you have to be aware of these things, so that you know. And we ask questions what we teach you or what we discuss. So that is the thing. Now the picture is not so clear. Little bit just from internet I have downloaded this. That's why maybe resolution is little bit. Here you see the kidneys of different things, but we are discussing about this too at the moment. So what are the differences? You see the horse kidney of horse. This is the left one. This is the right one, and this right kidney looks like heart of a playing card. Hearts. Tumra you know jara card khelo tara jano hearts of a playing card. Hearts. Playing card and hearts er moto. A left kidney ta in general bean shape. That is the thing. So this is the difference. But this kidney is heavier, always heavier than the left. But in case of bovine, it is reverse. The left one is always heavier than the right. This is the thing. And the left kidney in case of horse is located. Just write down the location of the left kidney and right kidney of horse and horse. First, the right kidney. Hello. Please write down the location of the right kidney of horse. It is located ventral to the upper part of last two ribs and first lumbar transverse process. That means last two ribs means in the horse there are 18 pairs of ribs. Sorry, T17 and T18. The thoracic vertebrae is 18 pairs. 18. So the ribs are 18 pairs. So here is the ribs, the last two ribs. And lumbar one, below the upper part. This is the upper part. Upper part of the last two ribs and first lumbar transverse process. This is the right one. What about the left one? Left one is located ventral to the last rib. That means T18. And lumbar first and second. Ventral to the last rib, that means last rib is located, this is the last rib, and there is the lumbar vertebra, first and second. Last rib and first two lumbar transverse processes. You see there is the lumbar, here is the transverse processes of the lumbar vertebrae. So this here, it is this portion, here it is located, the left kidney. So please take care, the right kidney of horse is located below the upper part of the last two ribs and first lumbar. And the left is located last rib and first two lumbar transverse processes. This is the differences of the location, shapes as well. And I will go to the next slide, suppose, so that you don't confuse with it. So what is you see, what is this? Surface of the kidney. Here, the surface of the equine kidney surface is smooth, no lobes, but here the surface is lobulated. That is you can easily identify. If the kidney is lobulated, then of course it is the ruminant's kidney. And if the surface is smooth, then it depends. It may be, depending on the species, it may be. But you know, if the right kidney looks like the heart of a playing card, then it is the horse kidney, and left is bean shaped. In case of sheep goat also, you will find the kidney like both kidneys are bean shaped. This is the dog kidney as well as bean shaped. Here is the bean shaped. Sheep, goat, dog, these are the bean shaped kidney. Okay, so I go to the next slide.
Sir, horse's left kidney location ta?
Left kidney is located ventral to the last rib and first and second lumbar transverse processes.
স্যার ওটা তো রাইটের ক্ষেত্রেও তাই না, দুটো কি একই?
কেন আমি তো তোমাদেরকে লিখে দিলাম।
সরি স্যার, ওই যে নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেমের কারণে জয়েন করতে দেরি হয়েছে তো।
ও আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা, যাই হোক, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে যে লাস্ট রিব, মানে তোমাদের ঘোড়ার ক্ষেত্রে তো জানা যায় থোরাসিক ভার্টিব্রা হচ্ছে 18টা, তার মানে রিব হবে 18 পেয়ার্স। তার মানে লাস্ট থোরাসিক ভার্টিব্রার সাথে কিন্তু লাস্ট পেয়ার অফ রিবস অ্যাটাচ থাকে। T18 হলো থোরাসিক ভার্টিব্রা, তার সাথে অ্যাটাচ থাকে হলো রিবস। দ্যাট মিন্স এই দুই পাশে তো রিবস থাকে, দিস ইজ দি লাস্ট পেয়ার অফ রিবস। তাইলে আমাদের রাইট কিডনির লোকেশন হচ্ছে, লেফট কিডনির লোকেশন হচ্ছে লাস্ট রিব, এন্ড লাম্বার হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট এন্ড সেকেন্ড ট্রান্সভার্স প্রসেস। Last rib and first and second lumbar transverse processes. This is the left. But what about the right? Right is the last ventral to the 17th and last two pairs and first lumbar transverse processes. That means 17th and 18th. That is the last two pairs of ribs and first lumbar transverse processes. This is the right and this is the left.
জি স্যার, বুঝতে পারছি, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
আচ্ছা, এখন বলো তো দেখি যে কোন কিডনি একটু ক্রেনিয়াল দুইটার মধ্যে, একটু সামনের দিকে কোনটা? Which kidney is located little bit cranial?
Right kidney.
Right kidney, of course. Thank you. Sometimes we ask in the Bible, which kidney is located somewhat cranial. Do you think both kidneys are located parallel to each other? No. Right kidney is little bit cranial to the left. So this is the, so now the internal structures of the kidneys, how it looks in different animals. You see, this is the, if you see, this is the kidney of horse, and this is the kidney of, this part is the section. So how it looks, and this is the, this is the ureter, and this is the, there is a, here you see a funnel shaped structure here. And this is called renal pelvis, This is the dilated funnel-shaped origin of the ureter. This is the ureter. So this is the dilated origin. This is called renal pelvis. Here is the ureter, and this is the dilated origin, is the renal pelvis. And renal pelvis is again, you see here, is divided into two. That these two is called renal calyces. Calyx, C-A-L-Y-X, calyx is the singular and plural is the renal calyces. That means renal pelvis is again branching into two major calyxes. And this calyces again dividing here, you see this is branching again. And it is branching again. You see here, in each lobe it is branching. This branching is called minor calyces. First is the major calyces, two major calyces, and again major calyces branches into minor calyces. So this is the differences between two internal structures. Very important differences. Here is you see the renal pelvis. Here is also renal pelvis, but again it is branching into two major calyces, and the major calyces also branching into minor calyces as well. So that is this thing. So this part all together, this part is called, and you see there you will find in between the lobes, you will find the fat as well. You will find here, you will find also many fats. So this part, all together, this part is called renal sinus. In case of bovine, it is called renal sinus. But in case of equine, it is the renal pelvis, only the renal pelvis. So what is the difference between renal sinus and renal pelvis? What do you think? What is the difference? Anyone? What is the difference between renal pelvis and renal sinus? Nobody?
স্যার রেনাল সাইনাসের অনেকগুলো ব্রাঞ্চ আছে।
রেনাল সাইনাস কি কি নিয়ে গঠিত তাইলেই বলো, তাইলেই তোমার আনসার ক্লিয়ার। রেনাল সাইনাসের মধ্যে কি কি আছে?
স্যার মাইনর ব্রাঞ্চ।
মাইনর ব্রাঞ্চ নাম কি? মাইনর কেলিসেস। আগে বলো মাইনর ছিল, মেইন কি ছিল? আগে ছিল হচ্ছে প্রথম ছিল এটা গোল জায়গাটাকে, ডাইলেটেড জায়গাটাকে আমরা কি বলি? রেনাল কি? পেলভিস। জায়গা থেকে ইউরেটার অরিজিন করছে, সেই জায়গাটাকে বলি আমরা রেনাল পেলভিস। তাহলে রেনাল পেলভিস এইখানেও আছে, এইখানে ওই যে এই জায়গা আছে রেনাল পেলভিস, প্লাস আর কি আছে? মেজর কেলিক্সেস। এই যে দুইটা মেইন ব্রাঞ্চ হইছে প্রথম, এই দুইটাকে বলি মেজর কেলিক্স, প্লাস মাইনর
মেজর
কেলিক্স, কেলিসেস, CALICES, সিঙ্গুলার হলো কেলিক্স, LYX। রেনাল কেলিসেস বলে, রেনাল কেলিসেস তার মানে two major calyces and minor calyces, plus everything is included, and all together this is called renal sinus. So what is renal pelvis? Renal pelvis is the dilated funnel-shaped origin of ureter. Ureter যে funnel shaped dilated originটা থাকে, সেই originটাকেই বলা হয় pelvis, renal pelvis। আর renal pelvis কিন্তু আছে ঘোড়াতে, কিন্তু গরুতে, in case of ruminants you see the kidney, here you see in case of bovine you see there is dilated origin, and again it is dividing into major calyces, and then again it is dividing into So this is the thing. This is the thing that sometimes we ask, that means renal pelvis and renal sinus. In case of we never, in case of bovine we usually call it renal sinus, but in case of equine there is renal pelvis. Renal sinus is here is the ultimate origin of the ureter, because renal sinus includes renal pelvis, major calyces, minor calyces, as well as renal fat. All this part, whole part is the renal sinus. But here you see there is only renal pelvis in case of equine. That is the thing. So don't, and what are these things? And you have to know, these are in the east lobule you see here are some pyramidal structure like this thing. And this is called renal pyramids. You see here, this is very clear. This is suppose, this is a pyramidal. And this is apical part of is called papilla, renal papilla. P-A-P-I-L-L-K. This is the internal structure. You will identify in the practical classes. In the dissection classes, you will see. So what are the differences between the kidneys of horse and ox? Sometimes we identify. Sometimes we ask you, from the distance, there are two kidneys in the so far away. But how you will identify at a glance that this is the kidney of horse and ox? What would be the answer? The answer is if the kidney is lobulated, then it is the kidney of bovine. And if the surface is smooth, not divided into lobes, then it is the kidney of horse. And then we ask you, how will you identify the right kidney of horse and ox? And what are the general differences? Because you will find the renal sinus in case of internal structure of the ruminant kidney, but you will find only renal pelvis in equine. And it is lobulated, it is not lobulated. The location is also different. And the right kidney is heavier than the left in case of horse, but in case of ox, left is heavier than the right. So these are the differences between the kidneys of different species. So that is please write down few points for the Viva Voce. Anyway, I go to the next slide. Oh, sorry. So this is all about for today's. In my next class I will discuss about the ureter and ureter. So I go back and I summarize all the things what we have learned today. That is what are the organs included in the urinary system? 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. So this is the things, and we'll discuss one by one. And this is the schematic diagram to show the organs, how these are located in the system, in our body. This is the 2 kidneys, and starting from the 2 tubes, and these are the ureters, and both ureters are emptying in a bladder, that is the urinary bladder. And from the neck of the bladder, again a tube is starting, that is called urethra. These are the different organs of the urinary system. So then is the schematic diagram of the different kidneys, that is the right and left, how it looks, and how you will identify right and left one with the shade first, and then is the, and you see the size is left kidney is little bit larger than the right kidney of ox. That is the thing, and it has, I discussed that it has 2 surfaces, right kidney, 2 borders, medial and then lateral, and 2 extremities. These are the, here is the 3 surfaces due to position. As the position, you see this, here is the another surface, here is the, because the portal part is in contact with the rumen, that's why it has ruminal surface in the ventral side. And it has 3 borders as well, lateral, medial, and ventral border. That is the thing. And 2 extremities, the cranial extremity is small and the large is the caudal extremity and rounded. That is, we discussed these things, and these are the, what are the surfaces, and it has lobulated organs, how many, and how the lobes are formed by renal fissures, and what are the different surfaces, what are the different borders and extremities. And then for the left kidney as well as, and which part is located in contact with which organ, that is we also discussed here. And we discussed about the position, how of the different kidneys. That is the thing. So always the right kidney is little bit cranial than the caudal, than the left one. But in case of the left kidney, is position is always variable. If it is distended with, if the rumen is distended with food, or that means if the rumen is full, then it presses the kidney to go far behind, and it is located then higher. And average weight is 600 to 700 gram, and always The left kidney in case of bovine is 25 to 50 gram heavier than the right. And I showed you the different kidneys of different animals, how it looks. The right kidney of horse is like a heart of a playing card. Please take care, it is heart of a playing card. And the left is bean shaped. And I discussed about this too. And for the goat's kidney, both are bean shaped. Sheepgoat. And then is the internal structures. What are the internal structures? Just you have to identify renal pelvis and renal sinus. So this is what is renal pelvis is the dilated origin of ureter. That is the renal pelvis. You will see the different internal structures as well as here you see the renal pyramids, major calyces as well as minor calyces, and renal pyramids. These are the things you will find and you will identify in the practical classes. So this is all about for today's class. If you have any questions, then in the next class I will discuss about ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. And what are the differences I discussed about both the kidneys of horse and ox? Just in case if you are asked in the 5 hours.
স্যার ডিফারেন্স গুলো আর একটু প্লিজ বলে দেন।
যেমন কিডনির গরুর in case of horse the surface is smooth, or in case of ox the kidney's surface is lobulated. That is the difference. And এটার ক্ষেত্রে right kidney ঘোড়ার ক্ষেত্রে right kidney বড় heavier than the left, but গরুর ক্ষেত্রে left kidney is heavier than the right. তারপরে লোকেশনে different. And then is the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis এখানে আছে আর এটাতে হলো renal pelvis টা আসলে মডিফাইড হয়েছে আমরা renal pelvis বলি না, এক্ষেত্রে বলি renal sinus. Renal sinus কি নিয়ে গঠিত সেটাও আমরা বলে দিচ্ছি। That is the গরুর ক্ষেত্রে বলি renal sinus, ঘোড়ার ক্ষেত্রে বলি renal pelvis. These are the differences between horse and ox. So this is all about for today. If you have any questions, please.
স্যার স্যার আমরা কিছু সংখ্যক শিক্ষার্থী জুমি নেটওয়ার্কের কারণে মানে হচ্ছে ক্লাস শুরু হওয়ার 20 মিনিট পরে জয়েন করতে পেরেছি। স্যার আমাদের অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স কনসিডার করলে ভালো হবে।
No problem.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
No problem. কোনো সমস্যা নাই। 184 এই পর্যন্ত রেকর্ডেড। 180 জন এখন পর্যন্ত তোমাদের প্রেজেন্ট হয়েছে।
স্যার ওই যে প্রতিদিনই স্যার ক্লাস করে স্যার, আজকে 2টা আইডি স্যার আজকে মানে ঢুকতেই পারতেছিলাম না স্যার, ওই যে জুমের সমস্যা করতেছিল স্যার। 1087 আর 1047 স্যার আইডি দুটো একটু প্রেজেন্ট দিয়ে দিতেন স্যার ভালো হতো।
1087 আর 1047 নো প্রবলেম। ঠিক আছে তাইলে, হ্যাঁ, থ্যাংক ইউ ফর টুডে।
Thank you, sir.
Hope to see you in the next class.
Assalamu alaikum.
Again, happy Valentine's Day for all. And happy day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Sir.